disclosure of non-standard fuel being given to the Prime Minister's helicopter. The letter was issued. Non-availability of quality fuel for helicopters has been revealed during the caretaker Prime Minister's visit to Shahdra cricket ground, after which the caretaker Prime Minister has taken strict notice of the matter and issued a letter to the Chief Secretary Punjab. According to Geo News, the Prime Minister's office in the letter issued to the Chief Secretary Punjab, it has been revealed that the concerned civil administration was informed on October 28, 2023 regarding the Prime Minister's visit to the Shahdra cricket ground. When the Prime Minister visited the Shahdra cricket ground on October 31st, while refueling his helicopter, it was revealed that there was no standard marking on the barrels used for refueling, due to which these fuel barrels were immediately rejected. There was no lot number, no test report and no expiry on these barrels, in the absence of which it was impossible to use the fuel that the lab test fuel offered was not even fresh.